So one of the things that I think real estate agents really enjoy when they work with us is the way we communicate not only with the agent, but also with their client. When we show up to a property, we're an extension of that real estate agent or that real estate agent's team. And so we have some key questions we ask the homeowner before we get started in our inspection. We also make sure that we take the homeowner around and explain to them the findings that are gonna be on our report. If the agent's not at the appointment, we make a brief phone call to the agent to explain to them a summary of what we went over with the owner and a summary of the findings on the report, if any. Another thing I think real estate agents enjoy working with us is we make sure we get the inside of that property done first. Why? Because if the agent has to take off somewhere or they have another appointment, they can lock that house up, we can focus on the outside of the property. That's just a little thing that we do that we feel like makes us a little different than most guys. We understand the escrow process very well. We understand that that window opens and it closes very quick. We make sure that we get that termite report to you the next day. We know that your whole goal is to keep your client happy, and that's our goal, is to keep your client happy.